Krishna Jayatra. That is the third time for her. First time Puri, second time Sri Lanka, and third time now in Krishna Vrindavan and other areas. They are doing very good job, meticulous and planning, well planning, and time they are maintaining it. And soft food, sadi foods, that is no onion, no garlic, and then they are having guide also, and special care they are taking for each and every person. You should also try to join and enjoy this trip.
Thank you,
Radhe
Mama.
Radhe.
Thank you.
Radhe Radhe.